Hey guys, Emma here today. We're going to be doing a first impression on these two Pucky Puppy trikes. We have the Alaskan over here, and we also have the Rottweiler over here. So, let's get to it. Okay. Alright guys, so we are on the Alaskan. Oh! I found the horn. Alright, so we are on the Alaskan. This one has a 750 watt motor. It has a 13 amp hour battery. And I'm also noticing that it has some wider handlebars here that are actually, I don't know, I can't decide if they're more comfortable or not. I almost want to say they are than your typical handlebars. But let's get going here. So that's pass 1. Let's do pass 2, see what that does. Got about 9, 10, pass 3, take 12. Definitely has a little bit of lean when you're turning it. But such is the trike life. Not bad. Could be a little more stable, but it's not bad. Pretty nice, honestly.
What do you think, Emma, of the Alaskan?
I think it's nice.
You think it's nice?
Yeah. It's comfortable.
Let's take a closer look here. So it's got the brown wall tires. It's a folding. It's got a big basket in the back, so good for cargo. Yeah, or purse and other goodies you take with you.
Maybe a dog.
What do you think about the wide handlebars? They are super wide.
I was trying to decide if they're more comfortable than your typical ones, or if they're just, I don't know.
They're different.
I would have to ride them. I would have to ride it more.
Yeah, for sure.
To see how it is like on an extended period of time. But I do want to say they're actually pretty comfortable.
Yeah, I thought they were okay. A little different than what we're used to, but I didn't mind the longer reach. We got mirrors that they gave us. We got a Pucky Puppy branded cell phone holder. Hydraulic brakes. Display, hard to see in the sunlight. Twisty throttle, 7-speed. Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice, she says.
It's nice.
Nice. Let's try the other one.
All right. Time for the Rottweiler. Ooh. All right. Ooh. This one has some nice pickup. A little loud. I think it's the tires, the fat tires. Pretty comfortable. I really actually just kind of like the design of this one. It looks very unique. It's very interesting. We will show you guys the handlebars later, but the handlebars are really interesting. It's very unique. Kind of a, almost like a workout bike. 750 watt motor. Let's see. Let's put this one up a little bit into pass 2. So this one gets up to pass 2 versus the Alaskan. I think I had to be in pass 3 for it to get up to 12. So this bad boy might have a little more oomph, which, I mean, if you're going to name it the Rottweiler, I'd kind of hope it did. Really comfortable, really nice. Oh, we got to do a little test here too. Oh, it took a minute. I was about to say, I can confirm the reverse doesn't work. Okay, we can confirm the reverse does work.
The reverse does work. That's a great feature. Yeah, that's a super good feature right there.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like it. So what do you think of the Rottweiler?
I like it.
Yeah.
I need to test out the rear suspension a little bit more. I didn't get a chance to do that much.
Yeah, the rear suspension's kind of interesting the way it's designed back here.
Yeah.
And what I noticed when I took it for a quick little ride, it made it feel like it was willing to twist. The front half is willing to twist a little bit and made it kind of lean a little bit more left and right.
I
So
need to test that a little bit more.
yeah.
It's comfortable though. It's pretty comfortable. I don't know. I like the design of it. It's really unique. It's beefy.
Well, the Alaskan had some really unique handlebars because they were really wide, but this is even more unique. So what do you think about this?
They're, for me, really far. Granted, I'm short, so my arms are going to be shorter too.
A bit of a reach there for you,
A little bit of a reach.
Yeah.
Comfortably wise.
We'd probably want to adjust the seat post and the seat so it was moved forward just a little bit. That would help.
But I do feel like it would help with people maybe like you who have longer arms because these are further away. So it might be a more comfortable reach for someone that's taller.
Yeah, maybe so. Really good grip, handle grip here. A lot of texture on that. Interesting button pad. Yeah, and the display is just awesome.
Is awesome.
That is just an awesome display. That's the best, I think, so far that I've seen. And a twist throttle over there. You got your buttons down there for your reverse and drive. And a nice loud horn. Basket on the front with a big headlight. Basket on the rear.
Oh, does the headlight work?
Yeah.
Did I turn it on?
Yeah, turn it on.
You got like a little... Did I do it?
Press and hold.
Oh, do I have to press and hold? Okay.
I think.
That's good to know.
Yeah, press and hold. There it is. It's working.
Nice.
Kind of hard to see in the daylight. What happened here? This one fell down. We got two headlights, and that one fell down. Probably need to tighten that up a little bit.
What does this button do?
All right.
Oh.
Guys, this is... Oh, she found something. What?
Oh, it's so you can like, I'm assuming walk with the bike because it shows.
Yeah, it's
like
a walk mode.
Huh. That's kind of cool.
Walk mode is supposed to be for walking with the bike. It isn't meant to ride with the bike.
Yeah.
But, hey, it works, it works. All right, guys, this is it. This is Emma's quick little review of the... Look at that. She's going to back all the way up into the driveway. Let's see how that works.
Probably not well.
Well, it goes up the incline that we have in the driveway, so there's enough power to do that. That's great to see. Yeah, she's going to park that thing all the way up in the garage.
I could.
Guys, this is going to be our video for today for the Rottweiler and the Alaskan. We hope you enjoyed it. If you have questions, drop them down below. We're going to bring a lot of content about these two trikes. We'll be doing some reviews. We'll be doing some more impression rides with some other people. And we're also going to be doing some comparison videos. So make sure you stick around for that. And until then, give us a thumbs up, and we will see you in another video real soon.